course in matrix equation method. In the same exercise, we are continuing the next sum. That is exercise number 1.3. That's second Roman. If A equal minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 1, 1, and B equal 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Find the product of AB and BA and hence solve the system of linear equations x plus y plus 2z equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 2. Make use of this product. So we have to solve the system of equation. Now let us first find the product of AB. That product of AB means A into B. That is A matrix multiplied with B matrix. Now A matrix you copy what you have and B what you have. So after that you are well versed in multiplying the matrix multiplication. That is first row is multiplied with the first column of the second one. We can find the matrix multiplication. That is minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 plus 1 into 3 is 3 plus 3 into 2 is plus 6. In the same way continuing to the second column, that minus 1 into 5 is minus 5, 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. In the same way minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 3 is 9. Second row and first column, that is 7 into 1 is 7 plus 1 into plus 3 will get plus 3, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, 7 into 1 into 7 plus 1 into 2 is 2, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Now multiply the second row and third column. So 7 into 2 is 14, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Now move on to third row. Third row is multiplied with the first column. We will get it the value of 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 into minus 3, 1 into 2 is 2. Third row with the second column, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Then 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into 1, 1 into 3 is 3. So after multiplying this, we are simplifying this, we will get 6 plus, then also we are grouping the terms of plus and minus. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, we will get the value of 4. In the same way, 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 5 plus 5 will get value 0, 1 plus 9 is 10, already minus 10 is there, minus 10 plus 10 will get 0. Moving to the second row, then 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0, that we are having here. Then 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, we are getting. So 14 plus 1 is 15, 15 minus 15 is 0. Then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, we are getting. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So from the matrix, we remove the 4, outside we can write it of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is identity matrix of order 3 that can be represented 4I3. That is AB equal 4I3, keep the result as 1. In the same way, we are multiplying the BA. That means interchange the matrix of B and A. We are getting the results of same result, that is 4, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 4. We are getting the value of BA equal to 4I3. So comparing the results of 1 and 2, we are getting these answers. AB equal to BA equal to 4I3. Now I am taking the 4 to this side. That is AB by 4, BA by 4 equal to I3. This AB by 4 can be grouped into 1 by 4 A into B equal to B into 1 by 4 into A equal to I3. So we know the results. A inverse into A equal A inverse equal to I. You have already known from the 10th standard itself, 11th standard itself you have studied. So even last exercise also we have revised. Make use of this result, we are going to solve the sum. Now after A into, so already in last step we have studied A into A inverse equal A inverse of A equal to I, already I have studied. So make use of this result. Comparing this with this, you will get that B inverse equal to 1 by 4 A. That is 1 by 4 into A matrix. It is given in the sum itself. We have written the A matrix, then copy the sum. Then after that, we have to find the solution to the system of equations. So we have to convert the system of equation into matrix forms. That can be written is 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3 into XYZ equal to 1, 7, 2. In this 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3 is our coefficient matrix that can be written B into XC equal to, then X equal to B inverse of C. Because B inverse we know this 1 by 4 into A. 1 by 4 into A means 1 by 4 into substitute the matrix of A, then instead of that C matrix also you substitute. Now find the matrix multiplication. Already we are well versed. That is first row and first column we are multiply. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, plus 1 into plus 7 you will get plus 7, plus 3 into 2 is plus 6. In the same way for the second row, So 7 minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. So 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 7 is minus 7, 1 into 2 is 2. We are already simplifying that things because we know how to simplify it, that add the plus terms and subtract the minus term. That is 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 minus 5 is 8. In the same way 7 plus 7 4, minus 10 is 4. Then 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 7 you will get minus 4. Then outside of the bracket you are having 1 by 4, you are multiplying throughout the matrix, you will get 2, 1, minus 1. This is nothing but the solution of x, y, z, that is x equal to y equal to 1 and z equal to minus 1. Now let us do again the same exercise we are doing for the, we are going to do the third sum. So third sum is not like the previous sum, so it is word sum. So for word sums I will show the sum from the book. Now the third term is, a man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of certain amount and fixed amount of annual increment. If his salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service and rupees 23,400 per month at the end of first month after 9 years of service, find his starting salary and annual increment. Use matrix inversion method to solve the problem. Previous problem and all they gave in equations. Now here there will be no equations given, they given in statement. So you have to convert the statement into mathematical way. First concentrate the sums once again. A man is appointed in a job with monthly salary of certain amount and fixed amount of annual increment. Suppose for a job we are appointing a man, so we have to give salary for him. After that every year we have to give increment. Based on the salary and increment the sum is go on. If his salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service, that means after 3 years of service the first month salary is rupees 19,800. That means starting salary plus 3 years increment, we are getting the total amount of rupees 19,800. In the same way rupees 23,400 per month at the end of first month after 9 years service, his first month salary is rupees 23,400. That means, so the given information like this, if it is like this, find his starting salary and annual increment by using the matrix inversion method to solve this problem. Now let us move on to the how to solve and see here. First here there is no variable is given, so we have to assume and then solve. First let assume that x and y. Here we have two variables, one is annual increment, another one is salary. So we take the salary as x and annual increment is y. Let x and y be the starting salary and annual increment of a man respectively. The first one goes for first one, that starting salary goes for x and annual increment goes for y. So by the given information already we know this. After 3 years of service, the first month salary is 19,800. That means starting salary plus 3 years of increment. 1 year increment y means 3 years increment 3y. So sum of these two, that is x plus 3y equal to 19,800. In the same way after 9 years of service, the first month salary is 23,400. That means starting salary plus 9 years of increment. That 1 year it is y means for 9 years it is 9y. So x plus 9y equal 23,400. After getting this, already we know this is our system of linear equation. Now already we know how to solve. In the same way how to continue this. The above system of equation can be written in the matrix form, that is 1 3 1 9 xy, then 1 9 8, that is 19,800, 23,400. That is Ax equal to B. Already we know this x equal to A inverse of B, because A is nothing but a coefficient of matrix. So find the determinant value of the coefficient of matrix. Coefficient of matrix is, that is nothing but the determinant value is 1 3 and 1 9. So remove the matrix sign and put the vertical sign, the determinant sign. That means find the values. So cross multiply will do, that is 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 6 is not equal to 0. If this is non-singular, then A inverse exists. If A inverse exists, then adjoint we have to find. If 2 by 2 matrix, we can directly find the 2 by 2 matrix of from A, we can find it directly. That means interchange the main diagonal element and the secondary element should be, sign should be changed. That means here interchange the element of 9 and 1. So the leading diagonal element is changed to 9 and 1. Then secondary diagonal is only change the signs, that is minus 3 and minus 1. This is our adjoint of. After that, we know how to find the A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A, that is adjoint of A. The A inverse equal to 1 by determinant, instead of determinant A, substitute the value, already we know this 6. 1 by 6 equal to 1 by 6 into that adjoint matrix, that is 9 minus 3 minus 1, 1. So therefore, we are going to find the solution for this, x equal to A inverse of B. So instead of A inverse, substitute the value of x is nothing but the matrix of x and y. So in the same way, instead of A inverse, already we have written, that is 1 by 6 into 9 minus 3 minus 1, 1 into, instead of adjoint, so that after B, A inverse, substitute the matrix of B. If B is already from the matrix form, we know this 19,800, 23,400. So matrix multiplication, we will do this, we will get these answers. That means first row and first column, we have only one column. So 9 into 19,800, we are getting 1,78,200 minus 3 into 23,400, that is 70,200. So next second row and multiply the first column, minus 1 into 19,800 plus 1 into 23,400. We are simplifying these two, we will get 1,08,000, and simplifying these two, 19,000 plus 23,400, we are getting 3,600, and multiply with 1 by 6, we are getting 18,600. So this is the value of x and y, where x and y is starting salary and increment. Therefore salary is given in rupees, therefore our x value is rupees 18,000 and y is increment is 600. Therefore starting salary is rupees 18,000, annual increment is 600. In the same way, the remaining exams also you are able to do that. So instead of 2 variables, we can have 3 variables also. So we will see in the next session.